Today we'll be checking back in with the SHIB coin, also known as the Shiba Inu coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see SHIB go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the SHIB chart, guys. If you're looking to buy SHIB or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. Now, we haven't taken a look at SHIB since the 13th, and at that point in time we were looking at a test of the 20-day moving average, and I said if we could get past the 20-day moving average, we'd move in this sort of a direction. We had a breakout of this downtrending line, so I thought that, it could be possible that this does occur. Unfortunately, that was not the case, and we have dipped since. Of course, over here we saw the overall crypto market crash, which influenced a major drop in the price of SHIB. But all in all, we have had some technical failures as well. On that day, you can see once we failed and managed to, I suppose, drop back into the trend line, it was a big drop. It was a state of panic. We've dropped back down, then below even our support point, which was at 2320. I'm just going to extend that out now. That is acting for us as basically a point of resistance now. And I'm going to put in what I think is a new point of support for us. I'm going to zoom out and have a look, see what's going on. Not too much price action, I suppose, historically. I'm going to just extend that out. Let's see where we do have a nice bit of support. I'd be suggesting actually where we saw the price bounce previously. Lots of price action over here in the past, a bit over here, and more recently we had a bounce off that point. That was the low of the day on the 22nd of January, and that low was at 1708. So hopefully we are able to hold up and maintain this point in time. It does appear we do have a bit of a short-term support point falling into place roughly about here. That is sitting basically at 2062. So I'll just put a little line in there, but that's more recent price action related than anything else. I'll extend as well down this overall downtrending line just to line it up with all the action that has currently been going on. Fortunately, we managed to move sideways past that line. I think because we got past it previously, it's not having as much of a resistance impact for us. So all in all, not too bad. At this point in time, we do see as well that volume is decreasing. Now, we are consolidating, so I'd suggest a decrease in volume as well as not really a fluctuation in price over the past couple of weeks is a big indicator that people are unsure as to what to do, and it means the price could actually go either way. Now, on face value though, we are seeing some things which are going to indicate to us that the price is going to continue to drop. First and foremost, what we've seen here is the 20-day moving average cross below the 200-day moving average. That is not a good sign for us because it indicates that our short-term trend has broken below our real long-term trend. And our 50-day moving average is currently moving down towards that 200-day as well. If that occurs, that is a big death cross for us and things will not be looking good for the coin. Let's have a quick look at a few more indicators as well. RSI. Bringing this one up, you can see we've managed to get out of the oversold territory which had occurred over here on the 22nd of January, and we are still though sitting at 32.72. This horizontal action indicates that there is not more buyers than sellers or sellers than buyers. It is relatively even, further showing that there is indecision going on at this point in time and potential investors and traders are spooked. MACD. Let's have a look at that one. Interestingly enough, we've had the 12-day EMA cross above the 26-day EMA, but that has had little to no impact whatsoever on the price action. Typically when we see a cross of this sort of magnitude occur, we'll see some price action, we'll see some buying coming in, or if it's the opposite, we'll see the sellers coming in. We've seen nothing, so I think more and more people are focusing their attention elsewhere in the crypto market at this point in time, whether that be due to the fact that prices are cheap or because they are concerned that SHIB has been dropping for, as you can see, an extended period of time since basically all the way up here on the 28th of October. All in all, where do I think the price is going to go? Well, if we continue to see a downwards trend of the 20-day moving average, that is going to come down and act as a point of resistance for us. As a result, the price is probably going to move towards it, reject, and then drop back down over here. So I'm expecting that we will see a value on the chart next, moving down towards that next support point at 1688. Hopefully it doesn't occur, but things are pointing in that direction. That wraps up our SHIB analysis today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.